What is management? The definition of management encompasses the idea of coordination and administration of tasks to achieve a goal in an effective and efficient manner. Organizations pervade our society and managers are responsible for seeing that resources are used widely to attain organizational goals. Large business and corporations often have 4 levels of management organized in a hierarchical structure, as this represents the position and rank of executives and manager. The level of managements are top level manager, middle level manager, first line manager, and a team leader. Top level managers. As you would expect, top level managers are the boss of organization. This includes board of directors, presidents, vice presidents, and CEO. They are responsible for controlling and overseeing the entire organization. Top level management roles are often have high stress and high influence roles within the organization. Middle level manager. Middle level manager have titles like department head, directors, and chief supervisor. They must be good communicators because as they link managers and top level managers. The middle level manager devote more time to organizational and directional functions. First line manager, otherwise called as functional or operational level management. It is the entry level of management as they are the individuals on the line and in the closest contact with the workers. They are also the person who communicate regularly with the middle management. Team leader. Team leader is a special kind of manager who may be appointed to manage a particular task or activity. And once the task is completed, the team leader position may be eliminated and thus a new team should be formed to accomplish the next assigned task. More than just specialized knowledge, management requires an ability to navigate numerous procedural, structural, and interpersonal challenges in the process of guiding one's team to the completion of various goals. The important functions of management in the workplace are planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. Planning. One main role of a manager is creating a plan to meet company's goals and objectives, which is the first function and the base of all other functions. Planning means deciding in advance on what to do, how to do, when to do, and who is going to do it. It also bridges the gap between where we stand today and where we want to reach. Organizing. Organizing is the process of identifying and grouping the work of organizations and establishing the relationship of authority among them. An organization is defined as a social structure where the manager evaluates the type of work, divide it into achievable tasks, and effectively delegate it to the staff through a division of labor and hierarchy of the authority for the attainment of objectives. The purpose of organizing function of management is to create a clear environment to achieve the efficiency of people towards the accomplishment of organization goals. Directing. It is an important management tool, just like planning, organizing, and controlling, as it is considered to be the heart of management process. Directing refers to the process in which the manager instruct, guide, encourage, and oversee the performance of workers. Controlling. It is a management process to aim at achieving defined goals within an established components, that is, setting standards, measuring actual performance, and taking reformative actions. Without enough control system, in the workplace confusion can overwhelm. How to be a good manager? Good management skills are not automatic. It's what we gain from our own experience as a manager. It includes having skills to handle different types of personalities in a team. For that, you should take your time to get to know your employees and what they want. Take the time to get to know them both on a personal level and on a professional level. As a manager, focus on helping your employees progress individually and collectively. There are several ways to develop your management capabilities, and they are as follows. Motivational skills can be defined as actions or strategies to enhance a team's strength and improving upon their weaknesses. It's important for a manager to motivate their team by giving them as much time as they want, by providing feedback to employees' performance, and also by encouraging new ideas and initiatives. Time management. The ability to manage time and prioritize tasks is essential characteristic of an efficient and effective manager. The purpose of time management is enabling people to get more and better work done in less time. The benefit of time management is great productivity. Decision making. For the organization to run effectively and smoothly, clear and the right decision should be made. Making proper and right decisions lead to the success of an organization. A manager must be accountable for every decision they make and also willing to take responsibilities for the results. Problem solving. As a manager, he or she should be capable to tackle and solve the problems among the team members. Problem solving in the management involves identifying a certain problem or situation, then finding the best way to handle it and get best solution. Communication. Being a manager, it is essential to communicate with your team member. Listening is one of the most important aspects of communication. Thereby, you can understand your employees' needs, evaluate their progress, and you can also help them achieve their goals by communication. Lastly, be positive. As a manager, you should be the one to set an example for your team to follow. Be positive during your interactions with your team so that they can feel more comfortable while being with you and communicating with you. Thank you.